New to investing? Don't worry, I'm here to help. Today, we'll uncover the 5 biggest mistakes beginners make when investing in 2025 and how to avoid them to grow your money smarter. Let's get started with Rise Volo. Mistake number 1. Not doing enough research. Imagine buying a stock just because a friend told you it's hot. That's a recipe for disaster. For example, if you invested in a company without understanding its financials, you might lose money when the stock crashes. Always research the company's performance, industry trends, and risks. Use free tools like Yahoo Finance or Google Finance to check earnings reports and news. A little research goes a long way to protect your hard-earned money. Next up, mistake number 2. Chasing trends blindly. In 2025, you might see hype around crypto, AI stocks, or NFTs. But jumping in without understanding the market can lead to big losses. For instance, many people bought Bitcoin at its peak in 2021 only to see it drop 50% a few months later. Instead of following the crowd, learn the basics first. Ask yourself, does this investment fit my goals? If you're curious about crypto, start small and use platforms like Coinbase to learn safely. Mistake number 3. Ignoring fees. Trading fees, management fees, or even hidden fees can eat into your profits over time. For example, if you're paying a 2% annual fee on a $10,000 investment, that's $200 a year, money you could have saved or reinvested. Look for low-cost platforms like Fidelity or Vanguard, which offers zero-commission trades. Always read the fine print before signing up for any investment app or brokerage. Small fees add up, so don't let them catch you off guard. Mistake number 4. Not diversifying your investments. Putting all your money in one stock or sector is risky. Imagine investing everything in a single tech stock. Then the tech market crashes. You'd lose a lot. Diversification means spreading your money across different assets, like stocks, bonds, or real estate. A simple way to start is with ETFs. They give you exposure to hundreds of companies in one investment. For example, the S&P 500 ETF tracks the top 500 U.S. companies. Diversify to lower your risk and sleep better at night. Finally, mistake number 5. Panic selling. When the market dips, it's tempting to sell everything to cut your losses. But that's often the worst time to sell. For example, during the 2020 market crash, many sold their stocks at a loss, only to miss the recovery a few months later. Investing is a long-term game. If you've researched well and diversified, hold steady during downturns. Historically, markets recover over time. Stay calm, stick to your plan, and don't let emotions drive your decisions. That's it for today. Avoid these 5 mistakes, and you'll be on your way to smarter investing in 2025. Want more tips? Subscribe to Rise Volo. We drop new videos every week. Plus, start budgeting smarter with Good Budget, a free app to track your spending. Link in the description. See you in the next video.